I went to the bookstore today, so two new books, also some more new books that I acquired these past few weeks. So this is a small book haul. The first one is Dubliners by James Joyce. I was really intimidated by this book because I thought this was a full-blown classic novel that would be really advanced for me, but I was intimidated for no reason because this is a collection of short stories, and I actually read the first page in the bookstore and it was really easy for me to understand. Also, this is one of Killian Murphy's favorite books. So I really needed no more incentive to buy this one. The next one is The Edge of the Crowd by Ross Gilfillian or Ross Gilfillian. I'm sorry if I'm butchering the name. This is a moving story of love, science and photography. I don't like science, but I do love and photography. I don't know anything about this book except that it is set in the Victorian era. I was eyeing another book that was also set in the Victorian era, or I think it was a gothic novel. And the guy who worked there, and I think he works there, and if he does, I'm so jealous of him because last time I went to the bookstore, the owner said that they wanted to hire someone but they couldn't. And in my mind, I was like, why don't you hire me? I would love to work in a bookstore. And then today, when I went there, this guy was already there who was helping other people and me just choose books. And I was like, I was available, I was right there. But it's fine because I did not really show any interest. But I did buy this book because of his recommendation. Next is Hunger by Choi Jin Young. I bought this book 3 days back and I finished this book yesterday. Like, I only took 24 hours or maybe 2 days to finish reading this. It was that addictive. It is one of my favorite books of 2025. I also made a reel recommending this book, so you can go watch that reel to just get a small review. I will post an in-depth review later, or you can go to my Instagram and you can find my in-depth review. Next book was The Nose by Nikolai Gogol. That also I finished in one day because it is what, like maybe 30 to 40 pages. That was also really amazing. I just love how funny that book was, yet at the same time it was kind of reflective, and it did talk about how society view men with power in a certain way, and I just really loved that book. Next is Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. This is my third copy of the book. I love this book so much. This is one of my favorite books. I have a tattoo for it as well, and now I have like 4 books in my Penguin English Library collection. This is one of my favorite publications for classics because they do not have any introductions and they are really floppy. And including Dubliners now, this is my collection of Macmillan classics. They look so beautiful. I love them so much. And yeah, these were all the books I bought recently.